Hey, just wanted to do a quick video to update you guys about a new direction that I'm taking with Truce. The pricing on custom bags is going to go up on September 15th, 2021, and I'm going to focus more on making more affordable, ready to go kind of smaller products, as well as I'll still be making custom bags. They'll just be a little more expensive because it's pretty time consuming. And I feel like I could be recycling more material and repurposing more of this stuff that I have here. So I'm cleaning the shop really deep this week. As you can see, it's a total mess, but hopefully by next week we'll be back in business and making a lot of smaller, more accessible products, you know, like trunk tote bags or that kind of thing. If you guys have any ideas about what I should make, please drop them in the comments, and yeah, hopefully get some great ideas and I can make some stuff that will clear out a lot of this material that I've been holding on to for a few years. And I'm really looking forward to making more one-off products with what I have in the shop here. So there'll still be a lot of drop liner backpacks and duffels, travel combo sets, all that kind of stuff. And I'll just make them with what I have here with the colors that I think match, and then list them on the one-offs page, and then they'll just be ready to ship right away. So if you're not on the newsletter, that's usually where I let folks know about a new batch of one-offs. So if you want to hear that kind of stuff and new blog posts and all that junk, subscribe to the newsletter on the website, or follow me on Instagram, where I'll also do a little story or a post about any new batches of one-offs that will be added and available for purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. There's like 5 of you maybe now, so that's amazing. Slowly but surely, hopefully do more YouTube stuff. And if you want to see anything in particular, please let me know in the comments, you know, like how I make this or that, or any of the other parts of the process that you're interested in. I'd be happy to do more of that kind of thing. Thanks again.